Anna Marie with your afternoon announcements. Art Honors will be having a meeting this week on Wednesday in the morning at 7:15 in Miss Viola's room. Please bring your registration forms and fee. Attention GSA members. Our next meeting is Wednesday, September 26th at 7:15 in room 210. Seniors, make sure you are checking the high school website for local scholarship opportunities. Some deadlines are approaching in October. Academic Decathlon supplies are here. We'll have a meeting Thursday morning, the 27th at 7:30 a.m. to go through our supplies. If you want them earlier, please come to Senior Juliet's room in 248 at any time. Seniors, the deadline for the October ACT is this Friday, September 28th. The October test might be your last chance to take the ACT and get your scores back in time for college application deadlines. Manufacturing Day Field Trip Opportunity. Please sign up on the Google form by Friday if you are interested. It will be emailed to your school email. Space is limited. The Activities Department is now taking sign-ups for the winter sports season. Forms are available on the table outside the office and due by October 3rd. High school students wearing a current year spirit shirt get in free to home sporting events and are available in the activities office. The JV football team defeated Unalaska last night by a 41-35. Brandon Lewick scored on 2 short touchdown runs and added a 2-point conversion run. Evan Westfall also had a touchdown run. Luke Beckendahl caught 2 touchdown passes and a 2-point conversion from Evan Long. John Tenton returned an interception for a touchdown, and Phil Parks added an extra point to round out the scoring. Nice win, JV football team. This is Anna with your afternoon announcements.